Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Okay, so first let's warm up your wrist. So most injury happen in yoga is actually wrist injury. So don't do anything forceful. So adapt to your ability. Okay, so first of all, let's a little bit warm up your wrists. So really no weight, no strength. Just circle your wrist like this. Nice and easy. After a few times, let's do opposite circle. To bring blood flow to this area, warm up. Okay, so now, and still sitting down in seated position, and back of your palm facing down like this, and elbow sticking out to the side, and without putting any weight on the wrist. Okay, and palm against the palm. Okay, touch, and just elbow sticking to the side, and now to yourself toward your knee, side, knee, side, knee. I'm not putting any weight on my hands. Just nice and easy, warming up all those joints, wrist and elbow. Articulate those areas. And shake, shake. Other side. And palm up and back of your palm hand down. Okay. Press your palm against your own palm. And I'm not putting any weight on my hands. And just side, side, straight, side, straight. As you see, I'm articulating my wrist, elbow, and also shoulder joints. After you start feeling the warmth, okay, so now let's take downward facing dog. Palms here is very important as you do downward facing dog in order to protect the wrist. Middle finger pointing forward, okay, not outward or inward, pointing forward straight. It's gonna protect, this alignment gonna protect your joint, okay? Okay, so palms open and middle finger pointing forward. And open your knee, legs about your hip distance, lifting up your hips. Let's take downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. And from here, I'm gonna take a little bit long Adho Mukha. From here, inhale, exhale, articulate your spine, go through plank pose all the way to the modified Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upper facing dog. Inhale, exhale, go through the plank, lifting up the hips to Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Inhale, exhale, to plank to upper facing dog. Inhale, exhale, plank, and back to downward facing. Inhale, exhale, connect with your motion, breath with your motion. Empower your body with your breathing. And create space in between each vertebra. And we use whole body, move whole body from toes to the crown. One more inhale, exhale, like a wave-like motion. And from here, inhale, okay, so lifting up your left. And if it's too much, if it is good for you, stay there. Then if you want to have a little bit more challenge, lift up opposite arm. Next, just steady your gaze, drishti, and steady your breath. And now other side. Again, here doing only 3-leg dog. It is totally okay. Lifting up, stay there. Or if you want to have a bit more challenge, lift up opposite arm. And down. And inhale, right leg up and between, step in between. And from here, lunge pose, palms together. Inhale, exhale, twisting your upper body and elbow against the outside of your knee and twisted lunge. And after 5 to 8 breathing, center and relax. And now, bring back knee down. And from here, palms, left palm down, left knee down. And twist and try to grab your toes. Okay? And sternum lifting up. And try to look toward the ceiling. Try to feel a stretch on the front of your thigh, on quadricep. And release your hands. Okay, so now putting front leg back. Now let's do the other side. Inhale, exhale, step between. And palms together. Inhale, exhale, twist your upper body, elbow against your knee. And twist. And slowly back to center. Right palm down, right knee down. And keep hugging your knee. And try to grab your toes. And sternum lifting up towards the sky. Try to feel the stretch of the quadricep. And widen your collarbone, chest open. And release your hands, palms down. Bring front leg back. Okay, now let's sit nice and tall. Okay, palms together, center yourself. Try to enjoy the energy created right now. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!